What are you doing right now this second?
Good morning. I'm crawling on a bed to put stuff away.
So we are in Minnesota. Spent the night at this beautiful rest stop. Yes, this is our routine. We take the paddle boards off the bed at night so we can sleep, and they go in the front. And now we're about to hit the road. So we put the paddle boards. Where do we put them?
Back on the bed.
Look at them buffaloes. How is it?
Refreshing.
Detour ahead. Look at the moon. Can you see the moon, people?
Not for all the bug guts.
We're in South Dakota now. Great faces, great places. Oh, Mount Rushmore's here?
Should we stop there? Probably. If it's on our route.
I don't know. Do you want to see a bunch of dead presidents, huh?
But isn't it like a really iconic thing?
It is. Okay, hold on. I'll check. Look how fucking flat it is. It's so flat. So boring. We're flying now. Missouri River. Whoa.
To be honest, I think the prairies through Saskatchewan, I think they were prettier. Maybe that was because it was the first time I had seen them.
Yeah.
I mean, it's very, actually right now it is very pretty. But this is also like, oh wow. What is happening? This is like rolling hill prairies.
Dude, what the fuck? This is crazy.
People want to honk at me, they can go around me.
You
What?
actually
There's
can.
people up there.
What?
How are they? I feel like that's not allowed.
That definitely is.
Is there a trail
Oh,
there?
maybe there's a trail. What? You want to go there?
I'm trying to get excited. I feel like that's not a trail. Is that a trail?
I think it's a trail.
Should we pull over?
Maybe. Yeah.
Yeah.
Saddle Pass.
Pass. Okay, let's have a quick peek.
Quick peek. Okay, Maris. Okay. Okay, yeah. Pull in, pause. Let me look at Islander first.
Okay. The Badlands are super epic.
How bad were they?
They're the worst lands I've ever seen. The most terrible land. And we spent a long time there. We were like driving through as the sun was very much setting, which is actually beautiful. So it was very epic. We were listening to some like Wild West music, courtesy of Carlo. And we're parked somewhere near the Badlands on some like BLM lands, I think. And yeah, we're both pretty tired, so we are getting ready for bed. I think that's it.
Right.
Anything to say? Anything to add?
Yeah.
Perfect. Good night. Is this the button?